Hi parents, it's Mrs. Ireland. I know that some of you had some questions and some issues getting into our reading workshop Zoom today, and so I wanted to go through and show you just how to do that in Schoology. So right now I am logged in, and I didn't check with Chance's mom, Mrs. Capelli, but I think she would be okay with this. So I just logged in as Chance. So if you take a look at my iPad screen, okay, I'm going to click on courses, and I have got my phonics, my reading, and my writing folders all in language and literacy. So I'm going to click on the language and literacy folder. And then I need to come down and click on learning. Okay, so when I click on learning, I see phonics, writing, and reading. Our reading workshop this week and every week will be in the reading folder. So if I click on the red reading folder, it says week of August 17th to the 21st. I'll click on that. I see today's Monday, so I'll click on that folder. And then right there, it says Mrs. Ireland Reading Zoom, Mrs. Giamuso Reading Zoom, and Mrs. Ortega Reading Zoom. So when I click on Mrs. Ireland Reading Zoom, okay, it takes me to this screen. Now, if I click on the purple Zoom, okay, right here, it's going to open up Zoom for me, and I can go and join the meeting. Now, the passcode for our meetings is always going to be the same. Hoot, hoot, because it's easy to type and easy to remember. So if I just type in hoot, hoot, and click on continue, okay, I'll get a message that looks like this, waiting for the host to start meeting, or it may say join from the waiting room. Now, I've already done today's meeting, so the meeting has already been completed, so I don't have an option to join this, but right from this screen, that's where you would be admitted to the reading workshop lesson Zoom call. I'm always going to have a waiting room set up that your child is going to just kind of sit there and hang out in until I admit them. That way, we're all starting at the same time. And friends can't get in there and start before I get there. So anyway, I hope that this helps. So each and every day you will go through these steps this week to join me for the reading workshop Zooms. Now beginning next week, we will not be doing reading workshop Zooms. We will be doing writing workshop Zooms. And you'll get to those the same way, but you'll go to the writing folder. Okay, hopefully this clears up some confusion. Thanks for watching.